Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elsika Yona Putri from Class I of Primary School Teacher Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Lambung Mangkurat University. Here I want to make learning media for all called from cardboard. Keep watching the video.
Tools and material used cardboard, color HPS paper, strike pin, discord, period, double tip, pencil, used calendar, flat diameter 18 cm, and paper glue. Prepare the tools and material to be used. Measure the cardboard using a small plate to cut into form a circle. Cut the cardboard again into circle with a smaller size. Cut yellow origami paper measuring 8 by 5 cm and fold it, then cut into form 18 leaves. Cut out white HVS paper according to the size of the cardboard circle, then tape it with double tape. Stitch the leaf shapes origami paper with double tip on the edge of the cardboard circle until it fills the circle. Measure the circle that has been attached to the origami paper using a compass, then apply the size to the cut black origami paper and stitch in the middle using double tip. Cut the small number from the used calendar and stitch them in clockwise order with paper glue. Cut 2 pieces of paper in the shapes on clockwork needles, then pieces them using a pin. Trim the back of the pin so that it's the shape that attach a small pieces of cardboard in the shape of a circle. And finally, the cardboard well cooked has been completed.